to open a tea stall, we need a bachelor degree of engineering.
We don't need that.
If you have enough capability to read more, study more,
know that they are just taking money from us. They are not providing that much of knowledge.
And a lot of students are joining like colleges only to enjoy their life.
Morning all of the class. Today we are discussing on a very important topics that after 12th, as we are very confused about what should we do, what shouldn't we do. So we have a topic that should we do government, should we prepare for government job after 12th, or should we opt a professional career after 12th. So my views, I am sharing my views about it. At one stage after 12th, we have no idea about what should we do or what shouldn't we do, because we have been studying from class 1 to class 12, and I have only theoretical knowledge about that particular subject. If I am a science stream student, I will choose for a technology as my career. So what will I do? I will go for a professional course such as we have a lot of courses such like BTech, BE, Bachelor of Engineering, Bachelor of Technology. So then I will have to at one time I will step on one point. At that point I can go for government jobs.
so before choosing any career or any field, that you should know. You should know about your capabilities, what you can do or what you cannot do. Goals.
Actually, it should depend on the interest of students. If you are a student have a knowledge about have an interest about singing and other field like artistic field, then he should go on that way. If a student have an interest with government job, then he will choose government sector also.
But in today's life, practical profession course is like a trend. If he is doing, I should do this. If my elder sister is doing, I should do this. So that we will get a job easily. But it's not like professional courses nowadays more like earning money. Colleges are earning money. Like in today's life, farmer's child is also studying in college like graphic era, DIT. But we don't know that they are just taking money from us. They are not providing that much of knowledge. Like it's just trend that my friend is doing, so I should do it. There is a uniform, so I should go for that thing. But as we get mature, we realize the value of government job as well. So for me, if you really into professional course, so you first clear some exam for professional course. There are many courses for good colleges. Then you will go to good colleges. Then you will get the professional course there. And if you are very much into government job, then you should prepare for it. And to me, professional course is just like colleges are just earning money from us. They are just taking more money, just like extra money of like providing bus and providing hostels, just like that.
But
So
there are
But
less
they-
jobs, government jobs.
But they also give the very good placement with.
they don't give it. They just
They give
give you
it.
when they give you placement. After that, when you do their job, then you realize what are you actually doing. You mostly do like a work like a call center. As I have heard of a lot of people from experienced people. The thing is, if only you are getting good package there, you get only a 15,000 package. That's not enough. You can do, if you have good communication skills, you can do that private job anywhere. If you have that communication skills. But just because I have to spend my 5 lakh, after that if I am getting 15,000 salary, that's not enough.
So are you with government jobs?
I'm in the government job. If a child is want to go to government job, if child want to go for profession course, so he or she should know the exact value of profession course.
You
and
have
he
to
should
choose
play-
one.
I'm
Government
saying.
job or
Like which one I think you refer most? Like
I'm saying if you really like profession course, you should clear some exam for professional course colleges. Like you should not waste your money in private colleges like Graphic Era and DIT, because they are just taking money from us. And if you are very much into government, it's a different thing. You cannot go for government job by the force of from anyone.
if you pass your 12th with good marks, so in most of the college you can see merit list. So your name will come in merit list, and you can choose very good scholarship also. You
That's
can
why I'm
get
saying if you are
scholarship.
very much into professional course, choose those colleges which are
Yes, I agree with you. Like we should not waste our money in private colleges. We
Because
should always choose good college, like
Haan.
government college. We should refer. See, there is very less job opportunities, and the students are preparing. Lakhs of students are preparing for SSC and banking, but only jobs you will find 1,000, 100, sometimes 200. So they are just wasting their money as well as their time. In the 2 years they are preparing for SSC. Even at that time they can do any bachelor degree, master degree. So I think they can also teach others.
As it's very hard for some people like who belongs to poor family, so they mainly adopt for government job, because for bachelor degree as well they don't have money to spend on bachelor degree. That's why they choose for government job. And those who choose for government job are mostly who are thinking for far ahead for their future, because they know what will they get after government job. That's why they spend their money. And in coaching for government jobs, coaching money is fees is less than any bachelor degree in private college. But the thing is, we should do bachelor degree with us from any government area, from
If you are studying well, if you have interest in a particular college or particular subject, then you can go for professional courses.
So topic is about choosing one. I think
After 12th and
After
Yeah.
that, professional.
Actually, sir,
courses.
I want to say something. As I have my own idea and thoughts about my career. So I will go for the professional course. I don't like government jobs. I will go for the MBA. It's a private job, but it's also a professional course, and I will go towards us and start doing something as my business also. It will employ others.
If you have good skills, if you believe in yourself, you can get easily job. You can try another company. You can give interview another sector. You can easily get job. Even if you are old, then you can. If you have good skills and good knowledge, you can get easily. You can earn better. Even you can live your life better in this way. Even there are so many IT student, IIT Roorkee, or I have mentioned. They opened after they completed their course. They opened chai point or tea stall. They have turnover 1 crore.
In New York?
They got no. They open in India. They have 10 to 20 shops in India. They have. Have you heard about any government people who start their business?
Because they have already lot of money. They are just earning lot of money.
But they are not living their
And they
life. They are
But
doing
they are
job
doing
and
also
coming
corruption.
home. They are
No,
just
no.
very fat.
The thing you are saying,
They are
not
just-
every-
for that
Yeah,
case,
yeah.
we should not opt for professional course. Why are you
Yes.
wasting your 5 lakh rupees on BTech?
Because they have. You can listen to one thing. You cannot open your mind in 12th class. You cannot open your
You
mind
mean to
that much
say
in
that
12th class.
when-
When you will get mature, you will
Okay.
attain many kind of environment. You will get your
Okay,
mind
you mean to
open.
say that when he does BTech, he
No,
opens
I
his mind
don't
that
say- I didn't say that.
Open.
So
I don't
But
say-
he was saying he
What
don't
he was
like that.
doing,
We should
I
already
didn't say that.
It's on my mind also, but I will not open because of the environment, because of
Yeah.
the family. But he can open in without going on BTech.
Yeah,
Why? Matlab
I'm
BTech
not-
has
I
given
didn't say that you
has
only
given
go
his
for
piece of
professional
idea.
course.
Might be BTech has given that idea because BTech doesn't give
Some people do that.
knowledge.
Not everyone. Some people do that.
Okay, but I think
It's a very
for
way you are taking it.
if we are not studied, then we can also open it.
Yeah, we can open.
I-
But have you heard about any government sector or any who's preparing for
That's
government
what I'm
exam?
saying.
They opened. They didn't open because they don't apply the environment.
What
That kind of
They don't
government.
need to open.
Because
They
they
have
have
already
lot of
a
money.
lot of
What is bad
I'm
about
just saying.
what is bad about tea stall? Maybe it is different
It is
from other
different.
tea stall. Maybe
Maybe
Microsoft CEO Sundar Pichai or
Yes.
who was
Yes. He want to say that he
Have you-
made a
have you-
company like a firm, little firm, and it spread all over the.
I'm saying
India,
you have
whatever,
this idea
all
now.
cities,
Will you open
want to
the
say
tea
that.
stall? You have this idea now without going and wasting your money. Will you open your tea stall?
I'm not. I'm actually when I was in 12th, my mind is not
Suited.
Yeah, I'm
go for
talking
that
right
any
now. I'm
business.
talking right
When
now.
I was in college, attend many kind of environment. I opened I think more about business.
Okay.
Hi guys,
In my experience, I am telling only my experience.
Okay.
I think we
What
are
do you want to say
some.
about its kind of business?
I think we are somehow somewhere deviating from the topic. The topic was after 12th, do we need to go for the professional courses or do we need to prepare for some government jobs? The thing is that the 12th, the age in that age usually we are from in the age of 18 to 20. It's just one third of our life. If suppose we are picking any career, so the life after 20 we usually go for any career. So 20 to 60, there are 40 years we do have to prepare for our jobs, or even we have to give any services till the time. If you will see that 12, as he told that this is the unmature age or we are not totally open-minded. So somehow we can't blame anybody that this is where we need to go. But the proper guidance, maybe in the sector of the professional courses, or maybe in the future of that, going for any SSC, whatever preparation you want to go for. It may be good, but you need to have proper career job for that. And I think going for a professional course is not bad, it's good enough. But the thing is that whether you are very skilled or whether you are taking the opportunities or picking the opportunities at the given point of time. So there are many factors comes, the ups and downs that in every sector you will see that there are so many pros and cons in government sector or even in the professional course. Suppose we all are here, we maybe get tomorrow in a very good country, so definitely somehow we are on the minus points, maybe we can go up to 80 points. The same happen again, so we can't say that I'll just go for the professional courses, because as you already given your citizens that there are so very very less opportunities in the government sectors, and it's the reality. So everybody is competing so far for just getting even if suppose I'll get a easy job if I'll prepare for SSC, then my point of view will be that somehow I could get a job of a peon. So if we are totally skilled, we having even a degree in terms of, if you will talk the degrees, if suppose I do have a PhD, I don't mind to go for a peon job, because you can say
Mindset.
No, not mindset. That what we say is that berojari,
Unemployment.
So much you can say increase in our country. It may be due to population, political, whatever you want to say. But there are so many things. I love to go for that professional courses. It may be in the terms of music or in film industry or technical background, anything. So it's not the small one. You can go for that. And it's totally up to you that how you pick the opportunities, because everybody having so many chances to once you get in a field, so it's up to you that how you pick your opportunity.
I think government job is good for the poor.
Yeah, that's for the stability. Or even in private sector, you can get
We
the
don't
stability.
need to spend
you
that
can
much,
get
I
that
think.
much money within.
After 10th also we can join army.
Yes.
Of course. Because in this era all are not that much rich, I think. So in that case we can go after 10th, we can join Indian army. Even if you don't want to go in a lower post, then after graduation can go for officer courses,
But it is
CDS.
not easy to get a government job.
Even as you said that
Ma'am, if you will get the
if you belong
private
to
job also,
poor
then
family,
in that
what
also
will
you
go
want a
for?
level.
Even I have seen many guys in Dehradun who has belonged to poor family. They are enjoying a lot. They are just not going in college, not going for. They are just drinking and enjoying and just wasting their family's money. Even they can do part-time job,
That's
or
what
they
I
can earn
said.
from that, or they can join.
That's what I said, that professional course nowadays it's like a trend. People are doing
That's
it.
just
Actually,
people are
habit.
following
I
that,
said
yeah.
if you are very
Private
much into
colleges.
professional course, do it with your heart, right?
Yeah.
Like that's what I'm saying. If she is doing, I might be thinking I should do this after 12. I don't have any knowledge of that, but because of she doing, I should do this. That's what I'm saying. That professional course nowadays is like a trend. If you are very much into that, you should clear some good exam. Should clear exam to get some good colleges, and where you will learn how to learn things.
And a lot of students are joining like colleges only to enjoy their life.